Well, one picked up a bunch of garbage that was carelessly left behind or just thrown out here. Now I gotta show you this. This really pisses me off. I mean, look at this. Look at this freaking mess. This is the fire pit. I mean, this stuff is not heavy. The honey buns box could have been burned very easily. Easily could have been burned. Glove up for safety here. So we have Safeway bag. They couldn't just carry it out with them? Really? How about a freaking pan, man? Look at that. How about 2 damn camp chairs? Something could swung back at me. Growing wood they didn't even bother cutting up. That was my favorite. Freaking tart. Kind of a big one too. But it's got holes burned in it. Looks like the wooden part of a cabinet. This is... yeah, it's a pie iron. It's 1/2 of a pie iron. Looks like they melted it. I don't know what the hell they were doing with this. Cordage laying out. And big piece of metal, jug of dirt, with shocker, bullet holes, riddled with bullet holes. Little log right over the top. What the hell? It's a cylinder of freaking metal. What? Why? So that's the damn fire pit. This, I have no idea. No words. It's a metal cylinder. can. What the hell that is? Can. Bottle top. Well, there's the haul, and it didn't really take that long either. I mean, not really. I mean, well under an hour cleaning up. But I'm gonna have to take all this up to the truck and then haul all to the dumpster. Fortunately, my condo where I live has dumpsters, so I'm just gonna go and fling it all into the trash can. But what the hell, man? Ridiculous. All right. So if you really want to thank me for this, I mean, I always appreciate your comments and I appreciate your thanks. If you really want to appreciate or really want to thank me, share this video. Share the hell out of this video. Post it on outdoor pages, on Facebook, Instagram, whatever the hell, anywhere you can. Any gun pages too, because I've seen a lot of the stuff I picked up was bullet riddled. Now I like firearms, and I'm a supporter of firearms, but I'm not a supporter of coming out and shooting up a can and then leaving the can hanging on a stick. Like, the can is empty and it doesn't weigh much. Throw it in a bag, take it home, pitch it in the garbage. That's it. That's it. It is a nice view though. I'm almost betting I could jump right in this water down here. Get a nice little bath in. It may not show on camera, but it actually looks deep enough to just jump right in. That'd be some cold water though, and a good way to get hypothermia. Even though it's sunny out, you can still get hypothermia, and 'cause this is all snow melt coming down. So, yeah.